Welcome to the instructions video for the Harmonic Wave Equation Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you analyze sinusoidal wave propagation by computing displacement values at any position and time. Whether you're studying sound waves, electromagnetic radiation, or mechanical vibrations, this tool makes complex wave calculations simple and accurate. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several wave parameters. Start by inputting the amplitude, which is the maximum displacement from equilibrium measured in meters. Next, enter the wavelength, the distance between consecutive wave peaks. Then specify the frequency in hertz, which tells us how many complete cycles occur per second. You'll also need to provide the position along the wave where you want to calculate displacement, and the time instant for your measurement. Optionally, you can include a phase constant if your wave doesn't start at 0. Once all values are entered, click the Calculate button. The results will show you the exact displacement at your specified point, along with derived quantities like wave velocity, angular frequency, and wave number. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.